Mia, are you home? Yes, I am in the living room. I just got back. From work? Welcome home. How was your day? My day was fine, but look at this kitchen. Oh, I made some pasta earlier. There are dirty dishes everywhere. I know. I will wash them later. You always say later, Mia. I am watching my favorite show right now. The trash can is completely full, too. Oh, I didn't notice that. It smells very bad in here. Really? I don't smell anything. Whose turn is it to take out the trash? I think it is my turn. Yes, it is, since Tuesday. I am sorry. I forgot about it. I am very tired, Mia. Just leave the dishes. I will do them. I cannot cook dinner in this mess. You can order a pizza tonight. I don't want to spend money on pizza. Okay, I will clean the kitchen now. Please do it. I need a clean space. Give me 5 more minutes, please. No, Mia. You need to do it right now. Why are you so angry? Because I clean this apartment every single day. That is not true, Sarah. Yes, it is true. I swept the floor this morning. I cleaned the bathroom last week. Last week? That was 10 days ago. Okay, I am standing up. Thank you. Please take out the trash first. Fine. Where are the trash bags? They are under the sink. I found them. I'm taking it out now. I appreciate it. I will wait in my room. I will be quick. Mia, can we talk for a minute? Sure, I finished cleaning the kitchen. Thank you. It looks much better. What do you want to talk about? We need to talk about our cleaning schedule. I thought we had a schedule. We do, but it is not working. Why is it not working? Because you do not follow the schedule. I try my best, Sarah. I do 80% of the housework. I am a college student. I'm busy. I have a full-time job. I am busy too. But I have big exams this week. You still need to clean up your own mess. I said I was sorry about the dishes. It is not just the dishes. What else did I do? Your clothes are all over the sofa. I left my jacket there yesterday. And your shoes are blocking the door. Okay, I will put my shoes away. Living together is teamwork, Mia. I know, you're right. I feel like your mother sometimes. Please don't say that. Then you need to act like an adult. I am an adult. I just forget things. When the house is messy, I feel stressed. I don't want you to feel stressed. Then we must share the chores equally, Mia. 50-50, half and half. Yes, that is fair. How do we fix this problem? We need a new rule. What kind of rule? A very simple and clear rule. Okay, tell me your idea. We write everything down on a paper. That sounds like a good start. Let's make a new cleaning list. Okay, I will get a pen and paper. First rule, wash your own dishes. Wash them immediately after eating. Yes, no more dirty dishes in the sink. I agree. That is a good rule. Second rule,
the living room.
We must keep our personal things in our bedrooms.
Exactly. No clothes or shoes on the sofa.
Got it. I will keep my things in my room.
What about the bathroom?
We can take turns cleaning it.
I will clean it this weekend.
And I will clean it next weekend.
Perfect. Now the trash.
I will take out the trash every Tuesday and Friday.
And I will take it out on Sunday.
That sounds very fair to me.
I will stick this list on the fridge.
So we can see it every day.
Yes, it will help us remember.
Sarah, I am sorry for being lazy.
Thank you for saying that, Mia.
I want to be a good roommate.
You are a good roommate, just a little messy.
I will change, I promise.
I'm glad we talked about this.
Me too. I hate fighting with you.
I hate it too. We're our friends first.
Friends and roommates.
Now, are you ready for dinner?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Let's cook some chicken and rice.
I will help you cut the vegetables.
And who will wash the dishes tonight?
We will wash them together.
That is the perfect answer. Let's go to the clean kitchen.
After you, my friend.
Thank you.